I think the issue really comes down to this. Is this body really willing to let the people decide an issue or not? The last 6, 7 years, this body has said no, no, and no. They don't want the public to decide this issue. Why wouldn't we allow the people of Minnesota to decide for themselves one policy directive that I believe we need direction on? Now the cases are filed, they're challenging the law, and they're before the appellate court. If we do nothing, the appellate court, a very small group of judges, and I suppose if it goes on to the Supreme Court, another small group of judges will make this decision for us. Now, some people find that to be rather unacceptable, especially in light of an option like this that we're presenting before you. I believe it's the people who should determine the meaning and structure of our policies through the process of political debate, a statewide community conversation, and ultimately democratic voting. It should not be imposed on us by some type of judicial fiat. And in my opinion, after I've been here a long time, even legislative act. I urge members of this body to give the people of our state the opportunity to express their will on this matter directly through the next general election. 45 states define marriage in either their statutes or their constitution. Of those 45, 31 have chosen to place it in their constitution. Do we dare say that those 31 states, much less those 45 states, are wrong? And yet at the same time, 14 states, only 14 states define marriage in in their state statutes. I simply believe, and I hope you join me, that it's time on this critical issue to let the people vote.
My real question, here's a picture of myself and my husband Richard on the floor of the Senate on the first day of session. What's so different about us? What's so dangerous, or what's such a problem? I'll tell you what the truth about our relationship is. We work hard every single day at our jobs. And what are we saying to the kids in our schools? You know, we rejected any effort to protect kids from bullying. The bullying statutes are good enough, but the kids are telling us something completely different. They're not good enough, that they're still, you know, if they're gay or lesbian or disabled, there's still so much hostility that they experience. And adults aren't intervening on their behalf, and parents feel helpless in trying to help those kids out. They're listening to us right now. We are the Senate of the state of Minnesota, and we are contemplating a provision to go in the Minnesota Constitution that says some people have no access anymore to the laws of the state, forever. No access if this thing gets passed by the people of Minnesota.